Ever wondered about the horrifying world of the screwworm fly? This fly lays its eggs in living flesh, creating a gruesome spectacle. The larvae feed on the host, causing unimaginable suffering. Once infested, the host's fate is sealed. The screwworm fly thrives in the most unexpected places. It's a cycle of life and death, nature's cruel design. Understanding this fly is essential for survival. Awareness can prevent outbreaks and save lives. The horror of the screwworm fly is real and present, but knowledge is power against this menace. Together we can fight back against nature's horrors. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and protect your world.